Anna. Come here, Harry.
This is the first time we try to do this, right?
Yep.
This pump.
And here we go.
Wow.
So we bought this at Harbor Freight. It was about a little over 10 bucks. 10 bucks and some change. And it's a great little pump. It's so we just fill the water here and then we could pump it into our tank. It might go faster. Not sure. Looks like it is. You can't really see it, honey. Yeah. It doesn't pump real fast, but hey, it's good because when we use a hose, it kind of splashes all over. So once I move the hole out here, it'll be much easier to do.
Because when you run, make Hannah run.
No, but he's not gonna run. Stay right here, aren't you, Harry?
Oh. It's okay.
Get down. Anna. Come here, Harry. Harry.
Daddy, go see him.
Okay, Harry, go inside. Boy.
What is it? Ready? Already, Dad?
Yeah, I threw it. It went over the van and landed right next to that lady.
She have cat too.
Hey, she has a cat?
Yeah, be
Oh, I didn't
careful.
see the cat.
Yeah, there's stay look.
Okay.
Are you cold?
Not too bad.
Really?
Yeah, you're gonna be cold though, honey.
Oh, on the sand.
Yeah. But oh,
Oh, sorry.
sorry. Here, I'll take it. Do the water.
Routing from here?
What?
You want something from here?
Nope, I got everything.
Okay.
Kind of dirty in here.
It's okay.
Just the sand blue in here. Okay, we are back on the road again right now. And we're heading into Corpus Christi right now.
Tonight we be sleep Walmart, right?
Yeah, there's a Walmart and a Planet Fitness, so we're gonna take maybe do some exercising, and we're gonna take some good long hot showers.
It's good. I miss the exercise.
What are we eating tonight, honey?
From Thai food, sticky rice with the
Pork.
yes,
น้ำเต้าหู้ and ข้าวเหนียว
ข้าวเหนียวน้ำตกหมูข้าวหมูย่าง
So should be good. We just left Port Aransas beach, and we just met a really cool couple,
Yes,
Grace and Matt and Grace.
nice
And
people.
these people are amazing. They actually walked across the whole United States. And here's our video. Well, we're just leaving them. They're in a converted shuttle van that's pretty amazing. I mean, it's kind of our dream, but
I think they like it. I like it.
I think so too. So if you get a chance, look them up. Here's a video of us talking to them. Is our view okay? All right. Matt and Grace here.
Yes.
And their van in the background.
Oh, yeah.
Their dogs are
Nemo and Foxy.
Nemo and Foxy. And we just met them. Yeah. So we'll put your
Sounds good.
The Golden Road.
Great meeting you
Golden
guys.
Road.
Safe travels.
okay.
Bye.
We'll hopefully meet again.
Yes.
Okay, we are at Planet Fitness right now. We're here to shower and exercise. Leaving the van here, and
And this my bag.
that's
And
her
this
backpack.
your-
That's mine. My clothes, my towel, my soap. So we're going into Planet Fitness.
Go to shower.
Gonna go shower now.
See you.
All right.